Today we're playing some more Beamng Drive, but I don't actually have the game. So let's get it. In the next video we're doing some crafts. Some hacks, crafts, whatever. So, let's get some Beamng Drive. Hey guys, it should be done installing like now. I mean, maybe now. Maybe now. Maybe now. Maybe now. As soon as I post a video, of course, I had to pop up. So let's play some Beamng Drives. Okay, what car should I do? Whoa, this car looks nice. Whoa, whoa. I'm looking for like a sports car. Okay, I guess this car is gonna have to do. I don't know. Guess it's the only sports car that they had. Oh yeah, guys, I just got this new drone. Do you like it? I think it looks really nice. Let's go. Oh, dang. Oh. 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 This car is not looking that good. Ooh. Ooh. How do you flip it over? Oh. Ooh. Ah. This car does not look good. Ooh, what about RAM? Anyways, I have a damage bar up here, I guess. So let's damage this thing to the max. Oh yeah. Oh. Ooh, this thing is not looking good at all. Ooh. I want to get that thing up there. Oh, you see the bumpies? I want to go on the bumpies. Oh, mommy, can we go to the bumpies park? Oh, sure, honey. Let's go to the bumpies park. That does not seem like a safe park at all. Okay, what is this thing? A thing that I should not be playing with. Apparently. Okay, let's take it nice and slow. Ooh, what's up here? Ooh, stuff that I can drive on and buildings. How does this car still run? How am I allowed to drive? Let's just crash into a building here. Oh, yeah. Ooh, starting to notice a little bit of slowness. Ooh. I think we're starting to break it. Let's just go like full speed straight into the wall. Okay, see you soon. Okay, guess we're about to hit the wall. Oh. Oh. Well, my goal in this video is to try to destroy the car. Oh my gosh, are those fire barrels? Barrels? I think they are. And they are. This car is almost dead. We're like almost there. Oh. Okay, just go as slow as possible. Oh my gosh. Don't go as slow as possible into these. Oh my gosh. This car is almost dead. We have to kill it. Oh my gosh, the steering's all messed up. Jeez. Dang. That looked really nice. It's satisfying. Okay, here we got a sports car. And ooh, just try to make it up. Okay, now my goal is just try. Why are the doors shaking side to side? Now my goal is to just like do one jump and not have every single little tiny part fall off. Maybe go super fast. I don't know. What happens if I run straight into the bear? Nope. Yup. Eat that. Okay, just go really slow. My gosh. I think we're gonna have to restart. This is just insane. But I love this game. I really love it. I have a cut. Don't judge me. Okay. What just happened? Okay, this time we're gonna try a different car. Ooh. I think this car looks really nice. Looks really nice. Okay guys, let's go. Oh jeez. Okay, try not to break the car. You know, forget about it. Who cares? Ooh. Oh, the bumper. We have a problem. My bumper is, oh, jeez. Okay, but my bumper can stay like that. You know, it's fine. It's fine with me. Wait, what's up here? I should have never asked. Okay, let's run a straight backwards into this building. I didn't notice this thing actually goes so slow backwards. Oh. Okay, we know that's a thing. Did you see that? It just went over that like a champ. Look, we're not even that much damage on this thing. And it already looks like it is dead. So imagine when it is actually broken. That will be insane. Just so you know, guys, this isn't actual Beamng. I am just... This is another thing like Beamng. I'm pretty sure it's made by the same guys who made Beamng. I'm not sure. Oh my gosh! Yeah, let's go through the zig. Or not. Or not. That's fine with me. It's fine with me. Actually, let's choose a different card because I'm not really digging this one. I don't know. Dang it, I hit restart. I didn't hit main menu. I'm stupid. You all stupid watching this video. I'm just kidding. Demonetized. Who cares about rules? I do, apparently. Ooh. Let's go through this yellow tunnel. We haven't gone through this one yet. Oh. Like the same one, but instead we can go like this. or not. Um. I'm just gonna get as far away as possible from that. Pretend like nothing ever happened. How far can I back up? Oh, that answers my question. Okay, menu. This time, menu. Oh, I really want to try that one because that's an open hood, and I want to see what happens when just a tiny thing hits the end. Tiny thing, like this soda can. Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh, does this thing do burnouts? Hold on, stop. Okay, go and stop. Aw, I thought it did a burnout. Oh, it looks so cute. That looks so cute. Okay, this car's horrible. Sorry for keep picking new cars, I guess. Yeah, that one's definitely my favorite. This one. Oh, I like that truck. Ooh, ooh, but, 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 but. Yeah, what the heck? I can do what I want. My channel, my rules. I make the rules. All the time. Because I can. Okay? Oh. Oh wow, this car's suspension is very sensitive. Just a tiniest little ramp and... Yeah. Wait, what does that say on the back? Chandril. I thought it said Chevelle because it's a Chevy. Cheverdrill. Chandril. Wait, Chandril. Is that a real thing? Chandril, real thing? I don't know. I'm gonna go back to that weird building thing. I see barrels. I see barrels. I see barrels. Oh my. Oh, look, you can see my little person inside. Hello. Hold on. Don't explode into a million pieces in these barrels. And then just back up into them. That is not backing up into them. That is backing up not into them. Okay, now back up into them. I created a fire machine. Okay, well now my car's all messed up and you can see the chassis below it, so. Yay, I actually want to explore the city place more. And did our hood fly off? No. Okay, that answers my question. Now there's exploding barrels in the city. Oh, you can ramp onto the buildings. I'm doing that. After I get wrecked by the world's tiniest little ramp. Because this truck has way too much power. And it looks amazing. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. The last set. Wait, there's a ramp down here. Right? Oh my gosh, there's a ramp down here. Thank you. There's a ramp down here. Oh my gosh. That works too. Okay, now get as much speed as possible and then just ramp off the building and please land on the top because I want to see the roof collapse in like crazy. And go on this insane looking ramp. Please do a full barrel roll. Landed it. Landed it. Landed that. I didn't see anything. A wall of exploding barrels. Oh, now there's exploding barrels everywhere. Oh my gosh, I have to do this. I just shook my whole disc. There's an earthquake. I'm just kidding. No, there's no earthquake. My phone failed. So 1 second I was going like that, and now another second I'm going like this. No, I want to do the bump thingies. Dang it. Okay, guys. I'm back. And now, my goal is to destroy the car, like, as far as it can be destroyed, I guess, before braking, and drive it around the map. Let's do this music. Yeah! Then I get in and then, like, it's the loudest volume ever. That would just be stupid. Oh, yeah! Ooh! Okay, this car takes damage very, very easily. I know my parts go flying everywhere. Oh, jeez! Ooh. Yeah, the car is about destroyed halfway. Go! Oh my gosh, I did it. Do it. Oh, it takes a lot of damage. That's a good thing. And just so you know, this map is really big, so this is actually going to be a hard challenge at the end. Ooh. 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 Oh, I guess I didn't see that. That was not the smartest thing. I was supposed to drive it around. I guess not. Mini death. Thing takes lots of damage for anything, basically. Oh, damn. I landed that. You all saw that. Oh, wow, well that. Okay, I'll just drive around the map now because, yeah. Wait, why is it green in the corner? Wait, what? I thought it was green. Turn! Oh. Oh, okay. I'm gonna ramp you up this. Okay, well, sadly, that's all we have time for in today's video. And I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye. Just say no. This game is called Car Crash 2. And I got Minecraft. So I'm going to be doing some Minecraft videos soon. This is my setup. My phone on this little portable stand. And hold it up with some Legos. That's how I do it. And I just put my tablet up against this clock. So, yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. This was Ultigamer 21X. Oh yeah, did you guys know that I make animations now? Go check out my animations. So, goodbye. Okay, goodbye.